How to find browsing data settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find browsing data settings on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings and go down, and here you will find this one, browser. And now click here you will find browsing data. If you want to clear it, just click clear, and that's it. That's how to find browsing data on Facebook mobile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.